Okay, good day. Once more again from Mofokeng Works. Today working on this is Audi A3. The client brought this key like this. It's a broken blade, as you can see here. So then I bought two empty casing with blade, as you can see. So you can transfer the board to this one, and then you're gonna cut one of this blade. So what I'm doing now, I'm using this Xhorse key cutting. Then I'm gonna just read the bytes on this key and then cut this new blade. Then we use also our plier if we have to remove whether this pin or insert the pin, but it doesn't matter. Also even the VW ones. So but for now we're working on this Audi one. So let's go and then decode. Okay, as you can see. Okay, it's done. As you can see, the code key is complete. Then yeah, okay, so now I'm gonna place this empty blade and then we cut it. And in the meantime I'll be opening this key to remove the board inside. Thank you. Yeah, but stay tuned. Okay, yeah, we already put the blank key. Okay, now let's decode. No, sequencer, sorry, not decode. I meant to say cut. It's fine. That is okay, it's fine. Say that cut. We don't do any changes there. We close for safety. So I just went to verify with my other tool. Okay, there's a key tool max. I'm just took a picture of this blade and then to verify it with our key cutter. You see, it's very already. I already cut it, but I'm just verifying it with this machine because I saw like one groove was not there. But yeah. So what he did, he didn't cut this small edge here. So yeah, so that's why I used this other one to verify that. So as you can see, the cutting is complete. Okay, let's open and see. I'm gonna clean it with my small. I have this small brush to clean this off cuts. Yes, I will advise you to have this key cutting tool. This one, no, Key Max Pro, to verify everything else. So as you can see here, we are more, yeah, it's more like it now. So you're gonna cut the other side now. Okay, I've already placed it. Flipped, say okay, and I say cut again. You cut the other side, so continue, don't do any changes. Yes, continue. You're gonna cut now again the other side. Okay, our key is being cut both sides, as you can see. Okay, let's go and confirm with the old blade. Okay, number. So the key is done, ready for delivery. Okay, thank you guys. Can like and subscribe and share. Thank you.